Hi, how cute is this? Okay, so to help you cope with Corona, have you ever seen a football playing dachshund?
There we go. Go, Rosie! Yes! Yes, my Rosie pie! Go, my Rosie! Rosie, Rosie, Rosie! Whee! And can she? Yes, she's gonna hit it! Yes, there we go. And she dribbles the ball. Yes, she dribbles the ball. Rosie, 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 Rosie. Rosaldinho. My baby. She is so cute. Bada, 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 bada. Ta-ta-da. Rosie.
Oh my word, I have never. And she does this for ages. Absolutely ages. She is completely addicted to the ball.
Yes, my girl. Yes. Oh, and she hits it back. And she hits it back. And she hits it back. Oh, my baby Rosie. Have a wonderful day from me and Rosie, the soccer playing dog.